Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. I am bringing you how to use hand abacus doing these exercises on your screen. In this episode, I am not going to explain any techniques because if you want to learn abacus with or without techniques, you have to watch my other explained episodes. Links are in the description box, or you have to check my playlist. If you are totally new on Abacus, please watch introduction episode where I explained all basic techniques. Better to start from beginner level exercises. I'm going to use this beautiful small, my favorite pocket abacus, which is in my bag always. So let's start addition and subtraction exercises on my beautiful pocket hand abacus, episode number 1. Question is on your screen. Make zero position. Use your thumb 1 number and 2. Place or add or minus or reduce. Okay. Place 1. Place 2. Minus 3. Place 4. Minus 3. And your answer is 1. When beads touch this middle rod, it is counted. Make zero position. Question number 2. Place 4, minus 1, minus 3, place 3, place 1. And your answer is 4. Make zero position. Question number 3. Place 2, place 2, minus 3, place 3, minus 2. Your answer is 2. Question number 4. Place 4, minus 4. Place 3, minus 2. Place 3. Your answer is 4. Question number 5. Place 3, place 1, minus 3, place 2, minus 1. Your answer is 2. Question number 6. Place 1, place 3, minus 4, place 3, minus 3. So no beads are touching this rod, means your answer is 0. Question number 7. Place 3, minus 2, place 3, minus 4, place 4. And your answer is 4. Question number 8. Place 4, minus 3, place 2, minus 3, place 1. And your answer is 1. Question number 9. Place 2, minus 1, place 3, minus 2, and minus 1. And your answer is 1. Please do these exercises one more time by yourself and be careful about the finger process, okay? So at the side of this screen there is how to use beads while moving on the abacus. So please take a screenshot or note on your notebook and keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, follow my Facebook page, and from there you can message me or you can comment me. And keep watching. See you in the next episode. Ta-da!